Hi, my name's Tyler, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the skeletal system, its structure, and its function. The skeletal system supports our body, facilitates movement, protects internal organs, stores minerals and fats, and produces blood cells. So here's our lesson overview for the video. First, we're going to talk about the types of skeletons and bone. Next, we're going to talk about bone remodeling. And last, we're going to talk about connective tissue and joints. So first, let's talk about the types of skeletons and bone. Here's our overview for the types of skeletons and bone. First, we're going to talk about exoskeleton versus endoskeleton. Then we're going to talk about types of bone in endoskeletons. And then we're going to talk about cortical versus cancellous bone. So first, let's talk about the exoskeleton versus endoskeleton. The exoskeleton is a skeleton on the outside of the body. It can be made of chitin or calcium. Beetles, spiders, shrimps, snails, and scallops all have exoskeletons. Mammals,